Are you fed up with that persistent redness and itchiness in your eyes? Is pink eye driving you up the wall and affecting your daily routine? Well, you're not alone, and we have just the right solutions for you. Welcome to our enlightening journey where we dive into 17 amazing home treatments for pink eye, plus an unexpected bonus, all in the comfort of your home. So sit back, relax, and let's unravel these home remedies that will help you kiss pink eye goodbye. 1. Warm compress. Do you remember your grandmother suggesting a warm compress for your sore eye? Her wisdom holds true today. A warm compress applied to the affected eye can relieve symptoms by reducing inflammation and soothing discomfort. And the best part, it's as simple as dipping a clean cloth in warm water, wringing out the excess, and gently placing it over your closed eyes. 2. Cold compress. While a warm compress works for many, some people might find more relief with a cold compress, particularly if the pink eye comes with inflammation. This remedy is as convenient as keeping a clean cloth in the fridge for a while before placing it over your closed eyes. Remember that whether warm or cold, the compress should be comfortable, not painful. 3. Over-the-counter eye drops. You've probably walked past these in the pharmacy aisle without giving them a second glance. Over-the-counter eye drops, also known as artificial tears, can help soothe the irritated eyes and provide much-needed relief. 4. Proper hygiene. This isn't so much a remedy as it is a preventative measure. Always remember that pink eye can be highly contagious. Ensuring good hygiene, like washing your hands frequently, avoiding touching your eyes, and using clean towels, can help prevent its spread. 5. Honey. Did you know that honey is not just a sweet treat, but also a potent antimicrobial agent? Yes, it's true. Dissolving a small amount of raw honey in warm water and using it as an eye wash can be beneficial. However, you must be extremely cautious and use a dropper to avoid any mishaps. 6. Green tea. Green tea is rich in bioflavonoids that fight bacterial and viral infections, potentially relieving pink eye symptoms. You can make a warm compress using a green tea bag, reaping the combined benefits of a warm compress and green tea. 7. Salt water wash. Salt water, or saline, is a simple yet effective remedy for pink eye. The idea is to mimic natural tears, which help to cleanse the eye. By washing your eyes with a mild saltwater solution, you can help clear away any irritants. 8. Aloe Vera Gel. The cooling effect of aloe vera is widely known. Applying aloe vera gel around your eye could soothe the inflammation and itchiness caused by pink eye. Make sure you are not allergic to aloe vera before using it. 9. Chamomile Tea. Just like green tea, chamomile tea also has antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties. A cooled chamomile tea bag placed on your affected eye can provide relief from the symptoms of pink eye. 10. Turmeric. Turmeric is celebrated for its anti-inflammatory properties. A solution made by adding 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder to 2 cups of boiling water can be used as a compress to soothe the inflammation of pink eye. 11. Neem Oil. Neem oil has antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties. A few drops can be used to wash the affected eye. However, it's essential to dilute it appropriately before use to avoid any adverse reactions. 12. Lemon juice. Lemon juice is a powerful antimicrobial but should be used very cautiously. Diluted lemon juice can be used to wash the affected eye, but ensure it's well diluted to prevent stinging or discomfort. 13. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar, like lemon juice, needs to be used with caution due to its acidity. However, its antimicrobial properties might help combat the infection when used in a well-diluted form as an eye wash. 14. Boric acid. Boric acid can act as an antifungal and antibacterial agent. A solution of boric acid and water can be used as an eye wash. However, the acid must be used in very minute quantities and always properly diluted. 15. Proper nutrition. While it might seem unrelated, maintaining a diet rich in vitamins E and C can help boost your immunity, aiding in quicker recovery from pink eye and even helping prevent future occurrences. 16. Avoid contact lenses and makeup. When dealing with pink eye, it's best to take a break from using contact lenses and eye makeup, as they can further irritate your eyes and can even become contaminated themselves, exacerbating the infection. 17. Stay hydrated. Staying hydrated may also help alleviate pink eye symptoms. It helps maintain the natural moisture of your eyes, which can soothe irritation and help flush out any irritants. 18. Breast milk. For those who can access it, breast milk has been touted as a potential remedy for pink eye, thanks to its healing properties. However, more scientific research is needed to substantiate these claims. Potential drawbacks. Remember, while home remedies can alleviate symptoms, they are not a substitute for professional medical advice. If your pink eye symptoms persist or worsen, it's crucial to seek medical attention. Also, some remedies might not suit everyone. Always perform a patch test where possible and discontinue use if any adverse reactions occur. And there you have it. 17 potentially beneficial home remedies, plus a surprising bonus to help combat pink eye. Each person is unique, so what works best for you may differ. Don't forget to share in the comments which remedies worked for you and any other insights you might have. If you found this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe for more health-conscious content. Until next time, stay healthy and clear-sighted.